So next infection will be viral infection. Now the first viral infection which we will be discussing is warts. Now these viral warts, they are caused by human papilloma virus. So the causative organism is very important. Recently question was asked in NEET exam also. They showed one image of viral warts and they asked you to identify the condition and tell the causative organism. So causative agent here is human papilloma virus. Now these warts, they can be of various types, and different types of viral warts, they are caused by different HPV subtypes. Now it is very difficult to remember these HPV subtypes, because if you read this portion from any book or guide, you will find there are so many subtypes which are mentioned against each of these viral warts. Okay, so let us try to remember them. Like, these are the types of viral warts, and we will along with them discuss the HPV subtypes causing them. Like, the first viral wart is deep plantar wart, which is also known as Myrmecia wart. Then second is superficial plantar wart, which is also known as mosaic wart. Then plain wart, also known as verruca plana. Then common wart, these are known as verruca vulgaris. So vulgaris, as I told you, means most common. Then epidermodysplasia verruciformis. Then laryngeal wart. Along with laryngeal wart, also remember anogenital warts, because in both the causative organism is same. So laryngeal wart and anogenital wart. And last one is butcher wart. Now these are different types of viral warts, and when you read this portion, that is the HPV subtypes causing them, when you will read this portion from the guides, you will find that there are so many viral wart subtypes, there are so many HPV subtypes which cause these viral warts. Okay, so to remember all these subtypes for each one of them is almost next to impossible, because you will find around 25 to 30 HPV subtype for deep plantar, superficial plantar, plain wart, common wart. Okay, so to remember so many subtypes is very difficult to remember. So I have made it very simple for all of you. If you cannot remember all the subtypes, at least remember few important ones. And to remember those few important ones also becomes very simple to remember if you can somehow remember the sequence of these viral wart. Okay, because the deep plantar wart is caused by first HPV subtype, superficial by second, plain by third, common by fourth, epidermodysplasia by fifth, laryngeal and anogenital both by sixth, and butcher wart by seventh. So you can see how simple it is to remember these HPV subtypes. So to remember these sequence, let us make one simple mnemonic here, and the mnemonic is DSP SLEB. Let us consider that the DSP of your area is working so nicely that he has become celebrity now. So DSP SLEB. So deep superficial plain, common epidermodysplasia, laryngeal wart and butcher wart, they are caused by HPV subtypes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it becomes very simple to remember. Now, this first subtype is the most common subtype causing deep plantar wart. Second subtype is the most common subtype causing superficial plantar wart. And seventh subtype is the most common subtype causing butcher wart. Now, for these four, that is the remaining four, you need to remember one more subtype, because laryngeal and anogenital, they are caused by 6th and 11th, and among them 6th is more common than 11th in causing them. So 6 and 11 are the common subtypes which cause laryngeal as well as anogenital warts. Epidermodysplasia is commonly caused by 5th and 8th subtype. 4th and 2nd, they cause common wart. Among them 2nd is more common than 4th. So second is more common than fourth, and third and 10th are the common subtypes which cause plain wart. So you just need to remember one more subtype for these four. So along with 3, remember 10 in plain wart, common wart, fourth and second. Second is more common than fourth. Epidermodysplasia, fifth and eighth, and laryngeal, sixth and 11th. And among them, 6 is more common than 11. Okay. Now, if you see last year's questions, you will find that when NEET was conducted for the first time, that was in 2012, the last paper, which was on 6th December, you will find that in that paper, that was the 6th December paper, last paper, in that paper, there were 6 questions which were asked from dermatology. And out of those 6 questions, 4 were based on HPV subtype. So 4 were from this table. Okay, so you can imagine how important it is to remember these HPV subtypes. Okay, if you cannot remember all the HPV subtypes, at least remember these few which I have told you, and you can very easily remember these few with the help of the simple mnemonic. Okay, so I have marked those 4 questions. So you can see these were the 4 questions which were asked directly from this table. Okay, so DSP, SLEB, CELB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.